Tuberose plant is one of the most easy to grow fragrant flower plants. You can just follow this short guide and grow a lot of tuberose flowers at home. We will see all about tuberose plant care, its soil media, bulbs planting, the ideal spot, fertilizer and much more. So let's begin, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel. The first and the most important thing in tuberose plant care is understanding its growing season. Tuberose plant likes a warm temperature to grow and bloom. Its growing season starts as the springs warm up. At this time, you can sow their bulbs. They will get bigger and bigger all summers. Their flowering time is the rainy season. The hot and humid condition triggers the flowering of tuberose plants. In winters, tuberose plants doesn't grow. Yellow leaves and stunted growth is natural. The extreme temperature decrease causes the plant to go dormant. Mostly the plant dies, but the bulb under the soil stays alive. We can say it's a summer's plant, so better to plant it in summers. Another important thing is the planting of tuberose bulbs. The tubers of tuberose plants looks like these. For planting them, choose big size bulbs. They produce healthy plants. Plant them half in the soil. Just the top part of the bulb should be out of the soil. Water thoroughly. They will make baby plants within 7 to 10 days. Just keep them in a bright spot. You can do the planting all summers, but the most ideal time is springs. Tuberose plants will keep on getting bigger. Their flowering time is rains. Such a long stick will come out of the base, and such thick and vibrant tuberose flowers will bloom. Another key thing in tuberose plant care is its soil media. In a good soil media, the growth of tuberose plants will be very fast, while if the soil is compact or poorly draining, the growth will be very slow and stunted. The ideal soil media for tuberose plants is a well-draining and slightly loose mixture. The soil shouldn't get compact over time, and moisture should be draining through the soil very efficiently. This will create an ideal space for healthiest root growth. Bulbs will divide in such a mixture too, so for making such a mixture at home for free, you can follow the description box video. Another important thing for growing a lot of flowers on tuberose plants is an ideal spot. Ideal spot is an area that receives optimum amount of sunlight. For tuberose plants, 3 to 4 hours of direct sunlight daily is the least requirement. Otherwise, the flowering will reduce. More than this ensures even better and more flowering on tuberose plants. In just a bright shade, only leaf growth will occur. For flowering, sunlight is a must thing. A shaded area is an opposite of an ideal spot for tuberose plants. Such an area will cause yellow leaves on your plants. So just keep your tuberose plants in a full day of sun. This will result maximum growth. Here you can also subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Another important thing in tuberose plant care is the fertilizer. Tuberose plant is a moderate feeder, requires normal fertilization, but a powerful fertilizer won't harm. On the other side, it will do some benefit. You can fertilize your tuberose plants once a month or twice a month if the growth is fast. I am using this fertilizer. You can also make such a fertilizer for tuberose plants at home. Video on this flower fertilizer is added in the description box. You can follow that to make and apply this on your plants. Tuberose plants are also susceptible to common pests like leaf miners, spider mites, etc. They will cause a lot of damage to the plant. The simple solution is to use a pesticide as a prevention from the day one. As though tuberose plants are resistant to most kind of pest, but if you are growing them for the first time, use neem oil spray once a week. This will keep all pests away. Video on this is added in the description box. So it's all about tuberose plant care tips. Follow and get most out of your plants. Here is a detailed video on another fragrant plant for winters. Sweet alyssum plant is a zero maintenance plant. Just plant it and forget. Feel free to watch, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel.